When you own a home in Rowlett, keeping it comfortable, efficient, and well-maintained is always a top priority. But while most homeowners stay on top of roof repairs, HVAC maintenance, and landscaping, one upgrade often gets pushed to the bottom of the list: window replacement. It's easy to overlook your windows when they seem to get the job done, but delaying their replacement can lead to a series of hidden costs that quietly add up over time. From rising utility bills to potential structural damage, postponing this investment can be far more expensive than you might realize. Here's a closer look at the real price of waiting, and why replacing your windows sooner rather than later is a smart move for Rowlett homeowners. Higher energy bills from inefficient windows. Old or damaged windows are one of the leading culprits behind rising energy bills in Rowlett homes. As seals wear down and frames warp, your windows lose their ability to keep conditioned air in and outdoor air out. During the scorching Texas summers, that means your air conditioner has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. Even small drafts can lead to significant energy loss. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, heat gain and loss through windows account for up to 30% of residential energy use. That's money literally escaping through the glass. By delaying replacement, you're not just dealing with a little inefficiency, you're paying higher utility bills month after month. Energy-efficient replacement windows with low E coatings, insulated frames, and multiple panes can help cut energy costs dramatically, making your home more sustainable and comfortable year-round. Costly structural damage from leaks and moisture. Rowlett's weather brings heavy rain, humidity, and the occasional storm, all of which can expose weaknesses in your windows. Cracked frames, failing seals, or deteriorating caulking allow water to seep in, leading to hidden damage inside your walls and around window openings. Moisture infiltration can cause mold growth, wood rot, and even foundation issues if left unchecked. What starts as a small water stain can quickly turn into thousands of dollars in repairs, damage that could have been prevented with timely window replacement. Newer window designs feature advanced weather stripping and watertight seals that prevent leaks while standing up to Texas humidity and rainfall. Investing in replacement now can save you from much larger restoration costs later. Decreased home comfort and air quality. As older windows deteriorate, they lose their insulating properties. You may start noticing hot or cold spots around your home, especially near the windows. Drafty windows also make it harder to maintain even indoor temperatures, forcing your HVAC system to cycle more frequently. Beyond temperature fluctuations, moisture intrusion from leaky windows can lead to mold and mildew, which impact indoor air quality and can trigger allergies or respiratory issues. Replacing your windows ensures a tighter, healthier home envelope that supports both comfort and wellness. Reduced curb appeal and property value. Curb appeal plays a huge role in your property's value, especially in attractive Rowlett neighborhoods. Faded, cracked, or outdated windows can make your home look older than it is and turn off potential buyers. On the other hand, modern replacement windows instantly elevate your home's exterior. With sleek frames, updated styles, and clean finishes, they make your home look well-maintained and contemporary. Energy-efficient upgrades also appeal to buyers who prioritize long-term savings, giving your property a competitive edge in the market. Delaying replacement can mean your home's value stagnates, or even declines, while nearby properties with recent upgrades command higher resale prices. Increased maintenance costs over time. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, repainting, resealing, or even replacing broken glass panes. Over the years, those small fixes add up. By upgrading to low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, you can eliminate these recurring expenses. These modern materials resist warping, fading, and corrosion, making them ideal for Rowlett's sunny, humid environment. When you consider the long-term savings from reduced upkeep and energy efficiency, the cost of window replacement becomes far more affordable than ongoing repairs. Missing out on modern comfort and convenience beyond preventing damage and cutting costs, new windows offer lifestyle benefits you miss out on by delaying replacement. Improved noise reduction, enhanced security, and better UV protection are all features that modern windows bring to your home. With professional installation, you can enjoy these upgrades immediately and start experiencing the peace, comfort, and beauty your Rowlett home deserves. Final thoughts. While it's tempting to delay window replacement, the hidden costs of waiting can add up quickly, from higher energy bills and water damage to reduced property value. For Rowlett homeowners, investing in new, energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Not only will it protect your home and save money over time, but it will also enhance your comfort, curb appeal, and peace of mind for years to come.